Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Let's take a look at EarnPepe and Feyorra today. They have some new updates we need to check out. Get started by logging into EarnPepe with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. Your dashboard is on the left as usual. Select Manual Faucet and claim your free Pepe. You can make up to 1,000 claims a day. After each claim, your balance should be updated. Great. A green box should pop up on the top right to confirm your claim amount. When you're done, go to PTC and click on the website links to earn more Pepe. You can earn over 120 Pepe per view. That's pretty good. Watch the advertisement until the timer runs out. Great. A green box should pop up on the top right to confirm your claim amount. After you have watched a few advertisements, you can collect your Pepe from the daily challenges. Don't forget your coupon code. Click on Redeem Coupon and select the link that directs you to Telegram. Scroll down the Telegram messages to see EarnPepe's last message. Copy the code in the message box and paste it in the Redeem Coupon box in EarnPepe. Once you're all done and you have reached the cash out limit, you can withdraw to Faucet Pay or your C-Wallet. As you can see, all my old withdrawals went through. Today, let's withdraw to my C-Wallet. Great. Now let's check out Feyorra. Feyorra is just like EarnPepe. Your dashboard is on the left and the reward system is the same. Select Manual Faucet on your dashboard and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Just like on EarnPepe, when you're done claiming, you can watch the PTC advertisements for more Pepe. When you're done working, select Withdraw on your dashboard. Cash out to your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet address. If you don't have one, you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.